No! That's why there were 50 pence, Charlie! That's why there were 50 pence! It's gonna go, it's gonna go! Yeah! Of course you do, Dylan. Nice one. Don't touch my sparkler.
I have unlimited power here.
Another match?
Inflammable gloves.
Really?
I doubt that. Let's do the triple match action.
It's not a thing.
A good match is it's too windy.
Extra shipment.
No breathing, yeah? Shut up, Jasmine. I'm not that drunk, okay? Let's stagger the match's activation times.
Jesus Christ.
Yes. Yeah!
Take it.
Yeah! Science wins!
Again. Ollie's gone mad with very little power.
I'm so happy!
Are you going to spell, is it?
Oh, wow, that's an indie. That's a couple frames in a movie there. Just
That's actually quite a nice
It's a habit with a meal. I miss having mine with meals.
well, mate. You coming over, mate? What's he doing?
I genuinely don't know. Where's he gone? I was waiting for him to make his big vault. I was filming it, but
Maybe
no.
that's a suspicious package. That's unattended baggage.
Please do not leave baggage unattended.
If this was Heathrow,
Oh my god.
blimey, there'd be an uproar. And you said you're not a perfect.
Not.
I'm sorry,
Yeah, no, I know what you mean.